go beyond.
New vacancy at Abu Dhabi. Draftsman. Architectural. We are currently looking for an architectural draftsman for our client in Abu Dhabi. Prepare detailed architectural drawings, plans, sections, elevations, and layout designs based on project requirements. Develop complete construction drawings for villas, residential buildings, and towers. Ensure all drawings comply with UAE building codes, authority regulations, and project specifications. Candidate requirements: diploma or bachelor's degree in architecture, civil engineering, or a related field. 5 to 6 years of UAE experience in construction drafting. Strong experience in villa projects and residential towers. Proficiency in AutoCAD mandatory. Knowledge of Revit, SketchUp, and other drafting software is an advantage. UAE available candidate may only apply. Salary benefits. Salary and benefits will be based on the candidate's experience and qualifications. Attractive packages will be offered. CV submission. Candidates who are seriously looking for a job change may send their CVs to anisha.jayan@ourawabit.com.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.